Good morning, you guys. It's Friday, August 17th, and I'm sitting in my beauty space / filming room about to get ready to go to work. And you know what? Don't mind me. This is kind of like just a crazy kind of talking video. My camera's probably gonna go out soon because none of my batteries are charged, you know. But I wanted to sit down and kind of talk to you guys this morning. Like I said, it's August, what did I say? 17th, and we hit 15K subscribers yesterday. Super excited, so I just want to say thank you for that. And I am about to go ahead and get ready to get to work. I am running like super duper late. It's 8:34. I mean, I don't really have a time I need to be at work. I don't have any meetings or anything, but I usually try to get there by 9, and I live almost 40 minutes away now since we moved. So obviously I'm gonna be pretty late, but I'm waiting on my husband to get back. The boy came back today. If you guys don't watch the vlogs, you may not know who the boy is. That is my son, well, my bonus baby, and he came back from his mom's house. We had him all summer, and he came back yesterday, and my husband had to take him to school. So I am kind of going in late today, waiting on my husband to get back because the girls are upstairs sleeping, and it's probably not a good idea to leave a 3- and 4-year-old at home by themselves, okay? So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just kind of taking my time and doing some makeup here, and just wanted to talk to you guys. So subscribe if you haven't, but just kind of wanted to talk to you guys. And one, like I just did, thank you for us hitting 15K, and I say us because this channel doesn't exist without you. So just thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Like, YouTube is just so crazy, and I feel like I've said this before, but anywhere where you can get online and just make these friends and know things about people that you don't even know, like over 15,000 of y'all crazy asses want to see more of me. Like, I love that, okay? So we can be crazy together, and I promise to keep bringing you good content and all of that stuff. I kind of want to switch my content up a little bit though. I kind of want to, I guess, switch the format of my videos up. Who's texting me? Oh, emails. But I kind of want to switch the format of my videos up. I feel like I'm just getting bored of the sit down videos, the sit down makeup tutorials, the sit down hauls, the sit down everything. So I want to do different things. Like, I want to do a clothing haul. I have a clothing haul coming up for you guys. I want to do like just in different surroundings, different backgrounds, more kind of sit down talk through videos like this. I want to do some shop with me videos, like go in Sephora, go into Ulta and kind of shop if they let you and don't kick you out. I see some people doing it, then some people talking about they kicked them out. So I don't know, I guess we'll see if they were to let me do it. But I want to do videos like that. I don't always want to just be sitting, you know, with my backdrop behind me doing video. Like, I just feel like that's boring. That is really boring me at this moment. And I need to figure out what I can do and what you guys want to see, because I want to switch my channel up. Like, I really do want to switch it up and want to do some fun things for you guys. So that is my goal for like the next few months, since we are on the hashtag road to 20K. Hashtag road to 20K. Put that down below for me, y'all, in the comment section. I'm so excited. My goal for this year was to reach 25K subscribers. So I'm kind of a little behind that, a little off track on that. And not that YouTube is all about subscribers, but y'all know I've been doing this for a while, and like my channel is growing, in my opinion, a little slower than other people's is growing, but I'm okay with that. Like, I just like doing YouTube. I have a full-time job. YouTube isn't paying my bills, so it's not like I'm stressed out about not making any money or anything from YouTube. But when people do subscribe to your channel, it just makes you feel really good, because it makes you feel like people actually are recognizing and seeing all of the hard work that you put into your channel, you know? Hold on one second, let me go grab a brush. All right, I'm back. But when people talk about YouTube, I'm pretty sure they just think that you sit down and turn on a camera and start talking and do nothing else. Like, no one sees the time that you put into preparing for your videos. Like, I spend time preparing for my videos, setting stuff out. Like last night I filmed my brush declutter, which you guys will see very soon. I filmed my makeup brush declutter, and it took me like over an hour to just prepare for that video, to set all the brushes out, to actually categorize them into different categories. It took me over an hour before I even turned the camera on. And then you have to set the camera up, you have to do this, you have to do that. People don't see that stuff. All they think is that you sit in front of a camera and that's what you do. YouTube is a lot of hard work. Like, all in all, that video last night probably took me about 3 hours to film, and then I still have to edit it. I still have to go in and put tags in and fill in the description box and do all that stuff. That stuff takes time. Comment or reply to comments on the video. People don't see any of that, and so they just think, like I said, you sit in front of a camera. So when people subscribe, I say all that to say, when people subscribe to your channel, it makes you feel like, man, like they see the hard work and effort that I'm putting into this channel. They see what I'm doing and they recognize it. I have hair in my mouth. And they recognize it. And I think that is the coolest thing in the world, somebody recognizing your work. Like, again, I'm not doing this for money. I don't want to say I have money, like I'm just rich, because Lord knows, and y'all know I'm not, but I have money to survive. Like, I don't need YouTube money. Don't get me wrong, the money's nice, okay? But I don't need YouTube money. I don't need someone sending me hair or makeup or little gadget. I don't need all of that stuff. It's nice, but I can buy that myself. This is kind of an outlet for me. But the fact that y'all want to be a part of that journey is so freaking amazing. And I'm just so happy. Like, I'm so happy. As I get older, as life like just flies by, my kids are getting older. They're like growing up in front of my eyes. As I get older, I start to realize that what I spend my time on has to be worth it. Like, it absolutely has to be worth it for me to spend my time on anything. Like, I don't want to look up in 10 years and be like, I wasted my time doing this or wasted my time doing that. I mean, like, I go to work, I like my job, I go to work, and obviously I have to work to pay for my bills. I absolutely have to work, but the way I look at work now, like, even I had a job interview maybe a few weeks ago. It was just like a quick phone screen, like an initial interview, and I'm not looking to leave my job because I actually really like my job. But if I see a good opportunity, like who am I to not, you know what I'm saying? I need to at least put my foot out there and see what's out there if I see something that looks like a good opportunity. So I saw something that looked like a good opportunity. They called me for a phone interview. I did the phone interview, and they were paying way less than what I'm making now. Like, way less, like insultingly less they were paying. And so I have learned, even though the hours were better, I have learned that I don't sell my time. And when I say sell, I mean work. And I get people have to do what they have to do, but I don't sell my time for anything less than what I think it's worth. So if you're not willing to pay what I'm worth, I can't sell you my time, because I spend a lot of time at work. Time that I can be with my family, time that I could be with my husband, time that I can be with my mom, my dad, anybody. I spend a lot of time at work. And so I'm not gonna sell you my time for anything less than what it's worth. You know what I mean? And I kind of feel like that about everything at this stage in life. Like, even YouTube. If it's not fun anymore, I don't have to do it. And I won't do it. Right now, I'm totally enjoying it. I've always enjoyed YouTube, and I don't foresee it not being fun anymore. What is with all this highlight? I don't foresee it not being fun anymore, but if it's not fun anymore, I'm not gonna do it. And that's kind of my attitude towards it. So the fact that it is still fun, the fact that you guys still want to watch and you guys are still subscribing and still supporting me is amazing. I freaking love you guys. I love this platform. I love interacting with you all. I love interacting with you all on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, of course, on Snapchat, just everywhere. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. But yeah, that's really it. The last thing I'm going to do is put on my mascara. It's the I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara by Essence. This is the last thing I'm going to do is put this on, and I think I'm going to be done. I do really simple makeup for work. You guys saw my everyday makeup tutorial. Maybe you haven't yet. It'll be up soon if you haven't seen that, if that's not up yet. But I do simple shit for work. Like, I can't be bothered with all that eyeshadow and stuff. I am an HR manager, meaning that I work in an office and there is no need for me to be super extra. And that's if I do makeup, because I be super lazy in the morning. Not even lazy, but tired. Like, I literally told my boss, this was just yesterday, I was like, hey, I need to come in later, one day a week, just one day a week, maybe a Thursday. I just want to come in later, and I'll stay later, but I want to come in later so I can just sleep. Like, I get no sleep, and so I wake up as late as I possibly can to shower and get to work at a decent time so I can get out in a decent time. But I seriously get no sleep. So one day a week I'm gonna be coming into work later, which is pretty awesome. She was like super cool about it, so it's just pretty awesome that I can do that. And I think it'll just make me a lot happier in life in general. Just make me a lot happier, a lot less moody. I feel like I'm so moody sometimes, and I think it's because I'm tired. Like, I'm snapping on my husband. Like, I'm tired. And so I think this one day a week is just gonna really help me out. I'm gonna wear this NYX Powder Puff Lippie. This is in the shade Moody, so I'm gonna wear that. And I think this is where we're gonna end this video. I didn't want it to be too long. This was really just, oh, that's pretty. Look at that. These are so easy breezy. I love these Powder Puff Lippies. They're super easy to put on. But yeah, this video was just, I just wanted to do something real quick just to say thank you guys for 15K, and I love you, and you'll be seeing more of my face very soon, so make sure you stay tuned. Bye.